I'm not sure where babies in your area come from, but here babies come from the Cabbage Patch. Now it does take 9 months for a baby to be born. Sometimes we have a preemie baby. They're born early. They're usually tiny because of an early cross. Now we have LPNs, licensed patch nurses, and they use large doses of TLC. Do you know what that is?
Tender loving care.
Very good. Are you a doctor?
Oh, yeah.
Now we also use something here that's not used in other hospitals yet. I highly recommend it. It's called Imagicillin. Now this procedure is called an esiotomy. First timers okay?
Okay.
You look good. And no need for a C-section. That's cabbage section. Now can you all help? Can you breathe in real deep? Exhale. Good. And push. Don't push each other. Here we go. Baby's head is first. It's always best when the head is first. Otherwise, it's a branch delivery and you could be here for hours. Here we go. Good. We have got a beautiful baby girl.
Wow. Yay.
Baby girl. Now she needs a name. What's a good name? Yes.
Say Cameron.
Cameron. And a middle name?
Middle name?
She has to have 2 names. She's from the South.
Marie.
Marie. Cameron Marie. Sounds like a cheerleader. Now Cameron Marie will get a checkup, and you can see her behind the newborn nursery. Give yourselves a hand. She's beautiful.
Ooh. Cabbage Patch Delivery 2009. Hallie, what do you have to say about the delivery? Do you think it was swift?
Much quicker than regular ones.
Okay. And what do you think about the delivery?
Same thing.
That's Miss Latimer. Hi. And look at the baby girl. Oh, she's got her a baby already.
Yeah.
Two. Oh, yes, 2 babies. She likes twins. Hey, Mama, you're going to have a lot of grandchildren.